There's a snake. It's time to play carom board.
ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಕರೆವಾಲೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆದೋಲೆ ಕರೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಮ
This is the fruit. This is how it comes. They are so naughty. They're trying to snatch my earrings. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderum 2.0. City life can get exhausting, right? So my best friends and I decided we needed a break from all the artificial hustle and bustle. No long travels, no complicated plans, just a quick escape to somewhere simple and refreshing. I suggested my favorite spot only 30 minutes away, and here we are ready to enjoy some real unfiltered moments together. Now I need you to take rest. She carried everything. The fresh fish.
Preparing.
We are making fish fry now and dal and rice. We will also make some omelets, and night again we'll prepare chicken and some extra fry and then same veg food. I know this girl. Hello, hello. Hello. आपको हिंदी आता है क्या?
आता है, हिंदी आता है, इंग्लिश आता है, तमिल आता है, कन्नड़ा.
Malayalam Paranyo. You just say I repeat, because these guys are Malayali guys and they are playing around. He is holding the mic. Some 50 meters away. Oh guys, he started speaking in Telugu. You say in Malayalam, I repeat. Say something. Not the longer ones. Short.
നമ്മൾ ഫാം ഹൗസിൽ താമസിക്കുന്നു.
നമ്മൾ ഫാം ഹൗസിൽ താമസിക്കുന്നു. Farmhouse. Guys are tongue twisters. Though it is the second.
Only legends speak Malayalam. Okay.
The legendaries listen to Malayalam. These guys doesn't speak. These guys sing basically like that. And Mallus has a special language like this. Oh. You say N-O-R-M-A-L, normal. This Mallu say normal. Coffee again, coffee. For water?
Not everyone.
You will also say that. He will say. And this Kannada people. These people say A has A in everything.
No,
For
not
normal, it's normal, right? These days people will say normal. Coffee. And now these two are couple. So this is coffee. He's coffee. I want to see how his byproduct will speak. I'm seriously waiting for that. Dal is ready and fish fry, yummy one for non-vegetarians, and omelette. So we are gonna have our food. This is my favorite time. We are going to explore or steal some flowers or vegetables from nearby farms. It's gonna rain in some time, so we better decided to go. She's opening that. Tamarind and the fish pond. Ghost tree, Allah, the tamarind tree. No, that is for this one, no? Banyan tree. This is ragi.
Ragi.
One special thing about this spot, exploring the nearby farms. You wouldn't believe it's my secret escape. I've been here 4 times already.
Someone told they will only pick one.
It's already the second one. This is the taste of stealing things. Once you start, you can't stop. In childhood, I used to play with this flower plant so much. Now I'm seeing after a long time. We are exploring some unexplored roads here.
Hey, snake.
ಅದು ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್.
Snake house. More snakes will be there in this road.
See, this is snake, guys, according to her. Oh my god.
Looks like a snake.
We even did a photo shoot in the green fields. Couldn't resist capturing the beauty of this place.
You're the air that I breathe. Yes, and you are all that I need.
That's the fresh form of the milk, and I have asked them if they can give me tomorrow, and they told yes. Tomorrow at the same time I have to come and collect 2 liters of very fresh buffalo milk. Yes. I don't know what it is.
See my bag.
We don't know what it is, and Netra told she will.
Hello, hello.
Well, yeah, I think someone have come. We should escape, guys. Bro, someone have come.
That auntie only told.
Actually. This is very natural form of tamarind instead of using what you get in the market. Better to use this.
I can't where I can keep.
See, this guy left us after seeing actions. He has left us and directly went to farmhouse. Guys are no, they can't do all these things, but we are the crazy people. He is not even seen nearby. Netra, snake! Snake! It's time to play carom board. We are so dumb people. Basically, just to buy 2 liters of milk, which is of 45 each liter, and we actually asked caretaker to get this 2 liters of water, which is 30 rupees, and then for him traveling petrol charges, we have spent double of what we are getting. Keeping a bonfire, but she's unable to. The way she ran, but it's of no use. Fire the bonfire. Looks like he's expert.
Super.
The bro did. You go, man. How did you do that?
Paper.
Which paper? Andhra.
ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಕರೆವಾವೋಲೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆದೋಲೆ ಕರೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಮ
These guys started playing badminton in the morning already. And I am preparing
energy. Without this, I can't survive. Mornings you'll be like, this. The next morning, I convinced everyone to join me for an early nature walk. The air was fresh, the world was quiet. It was the perfect way to start a day. will not come with me anymore.
You're the air that I breathe. Yes, and you.
It's 6:30 in the morning, and we came for a trail walk in the nearby unexplored area.
Gift of light. You are the moon.
These two are the OCD people. They usually don't go for such muddy trails or the water clogging areas, but I didn't tell them, and they are here. And trust me, mostly they must be cursing me inside, and once I go back to room and I'm the gone case.
Wherever you go, I follow you there.
This is an organic farm.
You and I will be forever true, true to you. And I give it all.
This is the fruit. This is how it comes. This is basically a potato I'm seeing for the first time. Potato outside. It's an organic one. What is trying to hit me? Why? Look who is here. Look who is here with me, the naughty ones.
I think they'll snatch it and fly.
Oi. Nah, no! No, that's my ear. Still is there. They are so naughty. They're trying to snatch my earrings. Ah! We have come here to pick up our milk, which was ordered yesterday. Sorry, I thought this is buffalo, but this is actually a cow. Here is my cow milk, the natural cow milk I got from here. We got permission to pluck a couple of these vegetables or fruits. I don't know what they are called. This looks like guava, but this is not. But Netra have made a sabzi with this, which is tasting really like a bottle guard sabzi, and I loved it. Yes, done. As usual, this is common every time I come here. Even today also I told them I wanna buy, but they are like they have collected all the flowers already, and these are the leftovers, and I can pluck and go. So I have no other option than plucking and going. By the way, these are chocolates, the breed called chocolate. Oh shit, what will it be? We have collected enough flowers for our puja. Wherever we go, this is an external, inbuilt organ for all the IT employees. You have to work.
We spent a couple of peaceful days here recharging and enjoying the simple life before heading back to our regular routine. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.